Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdop ying jongpi.
Ka Saint Dominic Secondary School nongra dakathong ban kene Ïarap syaki Khynnah Skul kibawan na kilong Ïing ki Baduk pusung haka khandai trik urisau arhajar opsau kila Pynlong ya ka mini school Fete ha phalau jongani school ya kani ka mini school Fete lawan ban plido MD ka than ba Charles Pingrop kong pongsan ringkat ka jington lang MDC ba CM ka GDC ba penyak sing CM ba Brigadier William Surgeon ka principal ka school Sister Gigi George u parish priest ka nongra parish u Father Theophilus Sotun ki khot ka managing committee jong ka school kirang ba balang ki noi lam shnong bat ki ba sha khot ngopha ba Charles Pingrop ba ajing kran ula ai khublei ya ki ba jidon menta ban senyang yang ni ka school ka balala ban kieu ha ka kerdan pule bat ula kerku kerdo ba ni ka school kan la ban kieu shaprang ha ki benta ki babon uba penyak sing CM ha ka jingkran lo ong ban kaliang ka GDC ku majule nang ka kapor ban kinti wigi school kan nang koloi ban trelang bat man kener ki Ïarap shiknik school bakan kieu hakilan ba pher na usnem sha wepan
Thank you so much. And now the gate are being open. Please welcome the bride.
Joy. So I take this opportunity to thank you all for inviting us to this many Fete, and may you raise a lot of money for the school, for the development of the school, and I'm sure all those benefactors who are here have contributed tremendously for this day to happen and this school to exist. May God bless them all. With these few words, I declare the Fete open, and let us enjoy. Thank you.
I'm also a student of St. Don Bosco's Shillong, St. Anthony's College. And St. Don Bosco gave a very important message for young boys and girls. Run, jump, play, shout, but don't sin. Run, jump, play, shout, but don't sin. This was the message of St. Don Bosco to his boys. So I like to convey the same message to you with one more message. When you study, don't study too long and too hard. Study intelligently. Study intelligently. Study little, but study intelligently. Absorb what you all are reading, what you are studying. Don't study by heart just to pass. If you study and remember, it will help you in life. So remember these words. Thank you very much. God bless you for calling me and giving me this chance to talk to you. Thank you.
Ikinohikai but baro ki students naduk ki barit haduk ki belasan ki badan hangni po school ya kaba pinyo ban shimenta kani ka benefit nga ai ka jingkit bok kit rian bakani ka benefit kan long ka job ani ka si baka jing tmu jong ka school managing committee kan yo ban kait ni so te ai ku playru na kamta baro ki no shimenta ki kime ki pa ki parashnong paradong ki badan hangmi nakaliang jungiru kum ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kum bangi ju Ïarap hin na portion por ban ajing Ïarap iki school ban long ka jing mentoy habai day ban ka jing shakri ban penang pen start iki khun jo kishnong nakamenta ka jing mentoy ka puli puthi ki joki nakaliang jungiru ngin yai beteng ban ya don rekat ban ka school hangni ba kanika school kanang pau kanang kiu haki senam ki banwan tetang kini kentien saya sian ngai ku play gerbang EP baru